Alright guys, back here for another video. What are we doing today, dude?
Today we're gonna rip off this factory thing and patch it up.
And you can see there's a bunch of rust in there, and then do a little bit of welding and shit on my car. And
Put some side skirts on this thing.
yeah,
Right now
the new KVDs.
we're just sitting in the sun right now trying to get some kinks out, but yeah, got some rivets and then gonna mount those up. So yeah.
Alright, so Samuel just got this thing off.
I swear to God, this thing is at least probably 20 pounds.
It's all
That
waterlogged.
is hella heavy.
It's actually not that bad of rust besides right there. That's like the only rust spot.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I just got this welded up. And then now we're just gonna grind it down and then bond it, because there's a big old crack right there. I'm gonna have to touch that one up too. You can see.
How should I do it?
Alright, so right now we're gonna grind down all this and try and get all the all the rust out, and then see if we can't weld it back up. This is on Samuel's production car. Alright guys, so this is all grinded out. Now we're gonna cut out an old fender piece, a chunk of an old fender, so we can use that hatch panel. Alright guys, so grinder kind of broke, so right now we're putting Sam's new KVD side skirts on and then trying to get the grinder back to working. Alright guys, we got most of the skirts on, and there's the KVD, so it's basically a whole KVD kit. You can see I got them on. And then if you come over here, I'm about to throw Samuel's old side skirts on.
He's there, buddy.
Get more of a missile look. Alright guys, so Samuel's skirts are on, and we got the ones on mine, and we might fuck around and try and weld his hatch back up. Alright guys, so Samuel's cutting another piece so we can weld those in there and then put the fiberglass putty on. Alright, what's up guys? So we got a lot of Samuel's hatch patched. So now we're gonna cruise down to the gas station and go on a nice little